Meaning of hurt.
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 Hurt. The word hurt refers to physical or emotional pain or injury. It can manifest in various ways, such as aching, throbbing, or stinging sensations. Pain can be caused by many factors, including illness, injury, or psychological distress. The effects of pain can be debilitating, hindering one's daily activities and quality of life. Pain can lead to long-term consequences, such as chronic pain and mental health issues. Therefore, it is essential to address pain promptly and effectively to reduce suffering and improve overall well-being.